Steam error. Windows is currently running Steam in Windows compatibility mode, which can cause issues with some Steam features and running games. Please follow the instructions below to remove compatibility mode. Follow these instructions to remove compatibility mode. Browse to your Steam installation directory. Right click on steam.exe, choose properties, click on the compatibility tab, uncheck any boxes that are checked and click OK. Click apply. Uncheck any boxes that are checked and click apply. Then click the change settings for all users. Make sure none of these boxes are checked and click OK. Now relaunch the Steam. Error will be fixed. Stop subscribe.